Hi, it's Nicole with American Paving Design. We're excited about the opportunity to work with you on your pool deck. We understand that you probably have a lot of questions, so to make this process as simple as possible, we've compiled the following video. Now sit back, relax, and listen to our team answer the most commonly asked pool deck questions.
The price of installing a paver pool deck will depend on things like the material you choose, the colors available, and your location. If you choose to use concrete pavers, the cost for your pool deck will range between $12 to $18 a square foot. A popular material that a lot of our clients in the Lowcountry choose besides pavers is travertine. Travertine is a natural stone that is more expensive than pavers due to being sourced from overseas and requires more labor due to hand cutting and mortar setting. With these additional steps, travertine does tend to range between $18 to $22 a square foot. In addition to the cost of laying a paver pool deck, there will also be an increased cost for pool coping and deck drains if needed.
If you're thinking about remodeling your existing pool deck, then this video is for you. Everyone's number one concern when considering a new paver project is the cost. So today, I want to discuss things that can increase the cost of your pool deck project. Textured pavers. Textured pavers are pavers that have a texture on the surface. These textures can vary from light to rough depending on the manufacturer. Adding textured pavers to your pool deck can increase the cost by approximately 80 cents to upwards of $2 a square foot, depending on the paver size, manufacturer, and the quantity ordered. Large format pavers. Many clients like to have large format pavers on their pool decks because they make the space appear larger than it actually is. If you choose to install a large format paver versus standard size paver, the cost of your project could likely increase by 80 cents to $1. The reason behind this is because a large size paver is more expensive to produce, therefore the square foot price is more expensive than a standard brick. Travertine. Selecting a travertine paver versus a standard remodel paver can increase the cost of your pool deck. Travertine pavers are made from natural stone and are usually more expensive than a regular concrete paver. If you choose to install travertine pavers or travertine coping on your pool deck, your price would increase by $1.50 to $3 a square foot, once again depending on the kind of travertine selected. Porcelain pavers. Porcelain pavers are great for pool deck materials, but it's an upgraded charge. Porcelain pavers are larger than regular concrete pavers and are more labor intensive to install. If you choose porcelain as your pool deck material, we estimate that our unit price will probably increase $3 to $5 depending on the amount ordered, the manufacturer, and the style chosen. Polysand. Polysand is a material used to fill the joints in between your pavers. Polysand, when mixed with water, creates a strong bond that prevents your pavers from shifting and moving. Selecting polysand on your pool deck remodel versus a regular sand will usually increase the cost by 50 cents to 85 cents a square foot. Deco drains. Deco drains provide pool decks with an effective drainage system. These drains collect and carry water away from the pool to prevent puddling and slipping on the pool deck. If your pool deck does not have efficient drainage in place, the installation of a deco drain can be required. Installation of these drains are approximately $29 to $35 a square foot and come in colors like tan and light gray. What is pool coping? The term pool coping identifies the material which is used for the edging or capping that is placed around the exterior rim of your swimming pool. Pool coping helps to separate the pool shell from the surrounding areas and also works to protect the structure of the swimming pool. Typically, pool coping is made of stone, concrete, and other composite-like materials. In addition to protecting the pool from getting damaged, pool coping also helps to keep debris, dirt, grass, and leaves from entering your pool. It also gives swimmers a safe way to exit and enter the pool by reducing the risk of slipping. Moreover, pool coping offers an attractive and finished look to your swimming pool. So if you're installing a new pool or remodeling your existing one, make sure that you choose a paver contractor that is skilled in removing and adding new pool coping.
Placing pool coping on your pool not only helps in making your pool deck look complete, it also works to separate the pool shell from the surrounding areas and works to protect the structure of your swimming pool. Pool coping comes in multiple sizes based on the material you select. For concrete paver coping, the typical size is 4x9. For travertine and porcelain, you can get it in a wide variety such as 4x8, 6x12, 12x12, and 12x24. The larger size coping is typically used for square-shaped pools, and smaller coping is used for radius pools and spa areas. It If you are having a new construction pool built, one of the things that you may have questions on is how the pool coping will be installed. When installing the pool coping, it will be mortar set directly to the pool bonding, essentially the top of the pool shell. Once it is set in place, we typically grout the coping and then install the remainder of the pool deck around the surrounding areas. If you are interested in looking at new pool deck design options or available materials, head on over to our website and check out our spaces. If your pool deck does not come with an efficient drainage system already in place, you may require the installation of a deco drain. Our team is skilled at installing deck drains, which are available in a variety of sizes from 2 inches to 4 inches, as well as having either a removable or fixed top. In addition, we also install spot drains in specific locations where they are needed. Another type of drain that we can install are hidden drains. With these types of drains, we typically lower a channel drain and hide it with the material you choose, which creates gaps for the water to go through. If you want to learn more about pool deck remodels or how to select the best drain for your pool project, head on over to our website at www.americanpavingdesign.com and click on our video library.